Right, hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. This is episode 2 of Let's Program This Thing. Now you haven't seen last week's video, episode 1, go back and watch it because some of the commands we do in episode 1 might not make sense in this episode. So today's episode we're going to learn the if statement, the else statement and the input statement. So let's go writing our first program. So line 10 again. We're going to use it to clear the screen, so CLS as we learnt last week. 20, print, what is your name? $30, names, with the dollar sign. 40, print, okay, so all importantly we've got our pencil to point. 10, going to clear the screen. 20, it's going to ask you what our name is. 30, is going to input name strings. And 40 is going to print hello name strings. Now if we just put name, it'll be expecting just a number. But you're going to put name strings, it expects a number, can have a number or a letter. And whatever we type in there, input names, it's going to print there. Now we could do an if name strings equals Fred, print hello Fred. If name string equals, you'll be there for ages doing it. Better off just do it this way. Okay, rather than have stupid loads of if statements, you want to just do it this way. So whenever we type in the input statement in 30, it's going to print out. So let's run our program. So it's cleared the screen. It's asking us what our name is. So we're going to say Jez, and it's going to say hello Jez. So let's clear the screen again and list the program. So we're going to add a new line on 40. Print. How old are you? Now at this point we could do a colon, name strings, but you don't want to do that. 50, another input command. Inputs age. There's no string sign after age, so it's going to expect a number. So 60, print hello space, names. So it's going to print out what we've inputted in line 30. Your space there. Age is age. So let's run our program. So line 50, before we run the program, input age, it's going to ask us for a number, not a number or a letter, because there's no dollar sign. 60, print hello, space, speech marks, comma, or colon, names, strings. So it's going to say hello, followed by your name, your age is, followed by the age. So let's run our program. So what's your name? Dean. How old are you? So 23, young kid. Hello Dean, your age is 23. So we do one last command in there. Line 70. If age is greater than, say, 45 or more than 45, print you're too old. Else print you're too young. So line 70, what we input in line 50, if it's more than 45, it's going to print you're too old. If you're less than 45, it's going to print you're too young. So let's run our program. What's your name? Jez. And I'm 29. Hey Jez, your age is 39, you're too young. Just clear the screen and then list out a program. That was our program. That was lesson 2 or episode 2 of Let's Program This Thing. In today's lesson we learnt the input statement followed by strings. With no strings it's expecting a letter or a number. We learnt input without the strings, that's just expecting a number. We also learnt the if statement, so if your age is more than 45, print you're too old, and the else, print you're too young. So I can type any age I want in there. So what's your name? Jez. Hello Jez, your age is 100. You're too old. So thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in episode 3 of Let's Program This Thing. Cheers and beers. Bye bye bye.